Hello, in today's video I will introduce to you his interesting experience of making a wooden house for the first time. The house was built entirely with simple hand tools at a low cost, but the results are amazing. Let's start. To prepare for the wooden house project, he went to the forest to look for quality wood. With the flexibility of a sharp chainsaw, he continuously felled trees and collected wood quickly. Then he sawed them into pieces and brought them back, ready for the next construction process. During the construction of a wooden house, ensuring structural integrity and resilience to environmental challenges is to raise the structure above ground level. This not only protects against moisture, a potential cause of rot and decay by preventing water buildup at the base, but also acts as a barrier against termites and pests. After completing the base, securing the wooden floor by screwing it to raised foundation logs was done. Now, it's time to assemble the wooden panels that define the wall boundaries for the structure. During the construction of a cabin or wooden house only from wood, we limit the use of metal fasteners and synthetic materials. Instead, we focus on traditional building techniques and a deep understanding of the natural strength of wood. Next, the use of flat wooden planks placed horizontally and attached to the wooden posts of a pre-installed wall frame with nails or metal screws is a solid method of construction. This method is applied uniformly on all walls, creating a solid and uniform surface. Besides, it also ensures that there is enough free space to install doors and windows, creating favorable conditions for the ventilation and comfort of the interior space. After completing the walls, the worker proceeds to the ceiling. First, they create a sturdy frame, carefully constructed to ensure even weight distribution and support for the structure above. This frame not only helps balance the weight, but also serves as a foundation for the installation of wooden panels that will form the ceiling surface, creating a comfortable and sturdy space for the house. Making a ceiling requires precision and stability. To ensure this, the frame is designed and assembled first. Then the wooden panels are aligned and fastened to the frame with metal nails. This process helps create a solid and stable ceiling, ensuring safety for home users. Wood panels that exceed dimensions are trimmed with a hand saw to fit the structure of the ceiling, creating a smooth and uniform surface. After completing most of the ceiling work, he decided to add a small window to the ceiling, creating a more airy and natural space. This window not only brings ventilation to the room, but also adds highlights to the overall architecture of the house. When finishing the ceiling, incorporating synthetic insulation over the wood structure is an important step in ensuring the house is leak-proof and rain-proof. This material acts as a waterproof barrier, protecting the interior front from moisture while enhancing the home's thermal performance. Thanks to this, the indoor temperature is maintained stable and energy costs are reduced. Once he completed the roof and reinforced the ceiling structure, he decided to move forward with building the front area of the house to create a porch. This porch not only makes the house more friendly to the surrounding environment, but also plays an important role in connecting the exterior and interior spaces coherently. The stairs leading to the porch are not only a part of the architecture, but also an interesting highlight in the interior design. It is an opportunity to express creativity and originality through the choice of materials, shapes, and decorative details. In addition, railings and columns are not only beautiful but also play an important role in protecting the safety of users as well as supporting the structure of the stairs. By integrating an awning, the homeowner gets a multifunctional area that combines the comfort of the interior with the natural beauty of the outdoor environment. The use of diagonal wood placement adds a dynamic and modern flair, creating a unique and striking pattern. In this case, it is used to improve the entrance of the cabin, making the main door the focal point and visually distinguishing the cabin with a modern look. It is essential to seal any gaps that may exist between the wood panels using silicone mastic and polyurethane foam. This step ensures increased insulation and prevents drafts and moisture intrusion, which are important for maintaining the warmth and structural integrity of the cabin. Additionally, the windows are equipped with a transparent plastic material, which not only allows natural light to flood inside, but also provides an additional layer of insulation without affecting aesthetics or functionality. This house is touching the final stages of completion, with only a few small details remaining to be addressed. Painting the railing on the porch has been done, creating a highlight and making the house more beautiful than ever. Installing door locks and making decorative wooden chairs not only ensures safety but also creates a highlight for the interior space, creating a warm and classy living space. After many days of meticulous work, the house was finally completed with a unique beauty, blending harmoniously with the surrounding nature. Every detail is carefully thought out. Every line honors his creative joy and artist's soul. The perfect combination of sophistication and nature makes the house a beautiful and warm place, a place that everyone dreams of calling their home. Known as a traditional tool, the compact chainsaw is still extremely effective in cutting wood as needed. With a simple, easy-to-use design, the handheld wood saw still maintains its position thanks to its flexibility and convenience. With the chainsaw in hand, in less than 1 minute, the worker quickly took down this large tree. We can see how powerful it is by listening to the roaring sound coming from the wood saw. Under the skilled hands of a worker, the Stihl MS462 chainsaw looks powerful and flexible, easily cutting trees up to 1 m in diameter. Oh, so dangerous. Sawing wood at this height requires workers to have safety measures. The Stihl MS400CM saw is truly a powerful tool that cuts wood quickly and efficiently. With a long blade and proper adjustment, this machine easily cuts large trees. The sound from the wood sawing machine combined with the skill of the people using the wood sawing machine creates a wonderful and impressive scene. Witnessing a chainsaw in action is an exciting sight, demonstrating the combination of advanced technology and the craftsman's technique of using the machine. A modern wood sawing machine. Currently, society is increasingly developing, equipped with advanced features such as automatic cutting systems and precision adjustments, and modern wood sawing machines that help optimize production processes and increase productivity. Look, the TMK tree cutter is such a great technical innovation that helps cut trees quickly and efficiently. The Cougar 250 is a type of tree shear that is both light and extremely sturdy for its size. It easily cuts large trees with just one swipe. With the ability to cut and process a large number of trees, up to 400 cubic meters per hour. Can you guess how many hectares of forest this tree cutting machine can cut in a day? With the JAG 300R tree cutting machine's working capacity of up to 400 cuts per hour, you cannot help but be surprised by its outstanding ability to handle tree cutting jobs at different heights. Considered a forestry monster, this machine can easily cut trees up to 50 cm thick thanks to its extremely sturdy design and sharp cutting blades. If you like this video, don't forget to follow us to support us. The KX Tree Hairs cutting clamp is designed to withstand extreme pressure in difficult conditions. Thanks to the width of the jaws, it is possible to cut a large amount of trees in one go, which allows faster clearing of bushes and reduces fuel consumption. Faced with the great working power of this saw, the workers could not help but praise that Woodcracker helped them save a lot of time cutting trees and, more importantly, ensure safety during work. In addition, I also want to introduce to you other interesting wood cutting machines. With 115 horsepower 85.8 kW of grinding performance and class-leading cutting dimensions, the Vermeer C105 two-stump cutter allows operators to complete the job quickly and with maximum efficiency. With a weight of more than 2 tons and a capacity of 40 horsepower, this tree stump planer can easily handle large tree stumps in just a few minutes. I was really surprised to see the HF800 2-speed conical screw splitter split some pretty hard and rough woods. They rarely have to come into contact with the ground when splitting wood. The HF800 2-speed taper splitter is an excellent machine for breaking large diameter logs. With a 2-speed motor, it has the torque to power any log. The HF800 drill cone is capable of drilling in diameters up to 800 mm, making it a strong choice for large drilling jobs on construction and mining sites. Continuing with the MS881 saw, it always brings surprise when cutting thick and hard wood like a sharp knife. With saw bar diameters up to 36 inches, the MS881 is truly a symbol of strength and performance in the wood industry. With flexible specifications, the CC Boyce cutter can process wood panels with thicknesses from 1 to 10 cm and widths up to 2 meters, meeting all production needs in the wood industry. Equipped with advanced technology, this cutting machine can cut wood into logs evenly and quickly. Combined with the Volvo 145, the Nisula 555C cutter is capable of effectively cutting trees up to 55 cm in diameter, making it suitable for processing large trees across diverse forests and terrains. Wow, with a working capacity of up to 1,200 cubic meters hour, the CAT 558 cutter is truly a symbol of power and performance in the rock mining industry. Its flexible and diverse operating capabilities make operating on all types of terrain easy and effective. The OS23 saw from Frontier Sawmills is such a powerful machine, with the ability to cut wood up to 58 centimeters in diameter and limited length, making it a great tool for large woodworking. With a cutting diameter of up to 27 inches and stable working capacity, the Frontier OS27 saw is the perfect choice for wood processing on all scales. This machine not only cuts large logs accurately, but it also cuts into extremely uniform and smooth wood panels. This saw is built with high speed and precision, easily and quickly processing aged wood parts. Let's watch the process of cutting down two large trees with a Husqvarna 395 XP chainsaw, the best wood chainsaw in its class, performed by a professional wood chainsaw operator. Surprisingly, the Woodcracker CS610 saw is capable of cutting tree branches up to 61 cm in diameter, providing high performance and flexibility in the tree cutting and wood processing process. With a powerful engine with a capacity of about 70 cc, the Legend Husqvarna 272 XP chainsaw series is one of the high-quality chainsaw models, cutting quickly and extremely accurately. The Stihl MS881 chainsaw is a high-quality device with strong power and reliable durability. With a dual-cylinder engine with a capacity of up to 121.6 cc, it can easily cut very hard dry oak trees up to 1 m in diameter. Cutting wood becomes easy thanks to the Stihl 500i wood saw. Look, the worker cut the tree into many pieces in just a few minutes. Wow, the giant cutting blade of the C550 Bagger Hyundai 235 saw cut off a large tree trunk with just one cut. Equipped with a Hyundai 235 engine with a capacity of 175 horsepower, this saw deserves to be a trusted saw for sawing diverse materials from wood to metal. In the forestry industry in Japan, the GP35V cutting head is a popular device for cutting trees because of its extremely fast processing ability. Watch it work. You will be so satisfied that you won't be able to take your eyes off it. With a blade approximately 2 m long and extremely sharp, sawing ancient tree trunks is extremely easy and precise. With a cutting bar and chain up to 50 cm long, along with an anti-vibration system and easy starting, the Husqvarna 560 XP chainsaw is capable of handling difficult and varied tasks on both harsh and dirt sites. Complicated, proud to be an ideal tool for operations in the wood and construction industry, the Husky 592 saw, with an engine with a capacity of 50 to 60 horsepower, the saw bar diameter is usually adjusted from 18 to 24 inches, allowing it to cut wood easily and effectively. Listening to the roar of the engine in the forest, we can see the powerful working power of this chainsaw. Thanks for watching our video until the end. What impressed you the most? If you have any suggestions, please leave a comment below. We appreciate your feedback to enhance our future videos. Don't forget to click like, share and subscribe for the latest updates from us. Thank you very much and see you soon.